In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Discord. If you manage tasks in Trello and chat in Discord, connecting the two lets your team see card activity instantly without switching tabs. We'll walk through adding the official Discord notifications power-up to a Trello board and getting it ready to send updates to your server. Start by heading to Trello.com and signing in. Make sure you're using the workspace that owns the board you want to connect and that you have permission to add power-ups. On the home screen, open the boards view to see all the boards you can access. Pick the board you want to integrate and open it. At the top of the board, look for the Power-Ups button, often shown as a small puzzle piece icon. Click it to open the Power-Ups panel for this board. In that panel, choose Add Power-Ups to open Trello's directory of integrations and extensions. In the search bar, type Discord and wait a second for the results to load. From the results, select Discord notifications. This is the power-up that posts Trello activity into a Discord channel. Open its details page to review what it can do and which permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add. If Trello asks you to confirm, click Add again to finish installing it on the board. Once the power-up is added, you'll see it listed on the board's Power-Ups panel. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your Discord server and choose the channel where updates should appear. You can usually fine-tune which events get posted, like new cards, moved cards, comments, or due date changes, so you don't overwhelm your channel with noise. A quick tip: create or use a dedicated notifications channel in Discord to keep conversations tidy and start with only the most important events enabled. You can always add more later. Remember that notification volume scales with team activity, so review your settings after a day or two and adjust if your channel gets too busy. Consistent, relevant updates will keep everyone informed without distraction. If you don't see the Power-Ups button or can't add the integration, check with a board admin, as some workspaces restrict who can add Power-Ups. And if you ever want to turn off notifications, you can disable or remove the Power-Up from the same Power-Ups panel. That's it. You've added the Discord notifications Power-Up and set the stage for Trello events to show up in your Discord server, helping your team stay aligned in real time without extra clicks.